everyone, I'm Roy and you're watching S7 Tech. So in this video we're gonna see what is Clubhouse and how to join a Clubhouse. So let's get into the video. Clubhouse is a platform which is like a Discord. Basically this app works for audio chats, which is a new type of social media. To download this app you just need to go Play Store or App Store. In my case I am using an iPhone and I have already downloaded this app. Simply open Play Store or App Store, search for Clubhouse, then download it. After downloading this app, just sign up on Clubhouse. It will ask your details and phone number to sign up. Then you have to wait for the confirmation by Clubhouse. This process may take a long time. If any friend of you already in the Clubhouse, tell them to send an invite code. It will be easy and log in without any process time. Now you can see a lot of channels are doing audio chat. I'll join a channel and show you the audio chat channel. It is very simple to join any channel, and also you can leave channel. In Clubhouse there is a search box. You can search for users and channel to join broadcast. Also a lot of categories are there. You can simply follow them according to your preference. Now you can see I'm in the sports category and there is a lot of channels in which the already broadcast is going. I can also join them. There is a various type of categories that you can join. If you need to start an audio channel, you can also do that in the Clubhouse. Just simply start a room. The option will be available in the bottom. If you open a channel, there are 3 types of categories: open, social and logged. Open works for open world and social works for your followers, and logged work for specific people to join. This app mainly works for audio broadcast. If a broadcast is going, anyone can join. Also you can interact with them and talk with them. Clubhouse improving their interface and giving updates normally. The Clubhouse notify the upcoming broadcasts which are going to be held and notify you beforely, and they have a separate section for these details. You can see upcoming broadcast details before. They will notify everything about the broadcast. This app is easy to use and it has friendly interface. I hope you liked my explanation and download this app. For any queries, ask me in the comment section. If you don't have invitation code, ask me in the comment section. I'll make a video about that. Thanks for watching. Peace. Have a nice day, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It will help me in the future. That's all for today. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay home and peace.
Bye bye, Tata, goodbye, Gaya.